Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi powder. First, prepare your kimchi by slicing it into thin pieces. This helps it dry more quickly and evenly. Arrange the sliced kimchi in a single layer on your dehydrator trays. Set your dehydrator to 135 degrees F or 57 degrees Celsius and let it run for 6 to 8 hours. The goal is to remove all moisture. After the initial drying period, it's crucial to ensure your kimchi is completely dry. It should be brittle and snap easily when you try to bend it. If you feel any flexibility or moisture, continue dehydrating for another hour or two. Thorough dryness prevents clumping and ensures a fine powder, which is essential for a long shelf life. Once your kimchi is perfectly dry, it's time to turn it into powder. Transfer the brittle kimchi pieces to a spice grinder or a powerful blender. Grind it in small batches to achieve the finest consistency possible. For an extra smooth powder, you can sift it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger, unground pieces. Now that you have your homemade kimchi powder, proper storage is key to maintaining its flavor and freshness. Store the powder in an airtight container, such as a glass jar, away from direct sunlight and heat. A cool, dark pantry is ideal. Enjoy your delicious, versatile kimchi powder for several months in various dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.